When you land in Canada, there are several important steps you should take to help you settle and integrate into your new environment. There's a checklist to guide you. Number one is to clear immigration at the airport. So when you come to Canada, present your passport, visa, and any other required document to the Canada Border Service Agency officer. Provide your confirmation of permanent resident, COPR, if you're moving as a permanent resident. Get your SIN, that is social insurance number. Apply for your SIN as soon as possible. You will need it to work and access government services. You can get it at the airport. Some locations offer the service, or at the Service Canada office. The third thing you should be doing is to arrange accommodation. So if you haven't done so, secure a place to stay. Consider short-term rentals or temporary housing until you find a permanent place. So the fourth thing when you come to Canada, you should keep in mind is to open a Canadian bank account. Visit a bank with your identification, SIN, and proof of address to open an account. Research newcomer packages and benefits offered by different banks. The fifth thing you should be doing is to get a Canadian SIM card. Purchase a local SIM card or phone plan to stay connected. Register for health insurance. That's the sixth thing that you should be doing. Each province territory has its own healthcare system. Apply for a health card as soon as you're eligible. In some provinces like Ontario or British Columbia, there might be a waiting period. So consider private health insurance, and meantime, Google Blue Cross and check its benefits too. Understand public transport, learn about the local public transport system, and obtain a pass if needed. If you plan to drive, you may need to exchange your driver's license for a Canadian one. Number 8 thing you should keep in mind is familiarize yourself with the weather. If it's winter, ensure you have appropriate clothing for the cold. Learn how to navigate snowy or icy conditions if applicable. Explore language. So the 9th thing you should be doing is to explore language services. If you need to improve your English or French, look for free language programs offered by the government or community. So there are many community organizations that offer that. Find local community and services. Visit settlement agencies for newcomers. They provide guidance on jobs. CEVA is one of them. Guide you for how to apply for jobs and how to make your resume.